Okay, welcome once again to the next video. From the previous video, we have a brief introduction of who an SOA is. Now we'll be discussing why become an SOA. Why should anyone become an SOA? First, it's a new way for empowerment. It's a new way for self-employment. And that means you're your own boss. You get to choose, you get to work whenever you want. Your timing is in your own hands. So it's a new way of self-empowerment. You get to earn even from the comfort of your home. Okay? But just like every other thing in life, there's a time to invest. So that's how the SOA system works. Okay? It's self-empowerment. You earn from multiple shops. Like we said earlier, you're a stakeholder in multiple shops. And you could earn from as many shops as you can bring into the platform and as many shops as you can manage. Next, you said earn from multiple shops in Nigeria. We talked about that. An SOA affiliation to a shop has no time limit. Now, when an SOA registers a shop on the platform, your account is automatically tied to that shop. What that means is that whenever that shop makes a successful sale on the platform, you get to earn a particular percentage. And Ahioma would keep paying an SOA provided affiliated shops keep selling on the platform. If a shop sells on the platform, you keep earning, and there's no time limit to it. It has no time limit. You can get paid for life from a particular shop. If they sell 10 times a day, if they sell 50 times a day, you get paid 50 times a day, whether you are there in the transaction or not. What the SOA's job is majorly educational and assistive, if I may use the word. Now, it's educational in the sense that you get to introduce them to the platform, first of all, teach them about the platform. After creating an account, you create an account for these shops. You hand them their username, which is their email, and their password, so they could log in to access their own dashboard. And then you teach them how to manage their dashboard, and you teach them how to make use of the platform, how to maximize the platform very well. And it's assistive in the sense you get to teach them how to take good pictures of their product. You get to help them capture products, help them snap pictures of their products, help them upload it. You work together with the shop owner. They give you the price. You could do it over WhatsApp. You could go to the shop, whichever way is convenient to you, depending on how smart you are. And there's a workflow between the shop owner and the SOA, the shop owner assistant. So there's no time limit to this. Provided a shop keeps earning, a shop keeps selling on the platform, you keep earning. If I register just one shop, I can decide to concentrate on that shop. Once I'm done, most of our SOAs already have jobs. Some do evenings, some do weekends, depending on when it's convenient for you. But you could get a shop, and if you do your job effectively, that shop can pay you for life. Whenever they sell on the platform, you get paid. Okay? So Ahioma would keep paying an SOA provided affiliate shop keeps selling on the platform. If the shop keeps selling, you keep getting paid. The shop keeps selling, you keep getting paid. So there's no time limits to this affiliation. It's for life, provided the shop keeps selling on ahioma.ng. So it is now the duty of the SOA to enable the shop sell more, because the more they sell, the more you earn. And it's not stressful. It's something that is part-time. It's a side earning. It's a side job. It's something you could do with your phone or social media. You could share some of their products on the timeline. We'll be going through all that later, just to generate traffic for these shops. The more people buy from these shops, the more you sell. So you get to create your own professional culture. Okay, that means you're in charge. You could decide to enhance your job to make it easier for you. You could use a laptop. You could brand your laptop. You could look professional just to um, um, increase acceptability of these shops signing up on the platform. So as an SOA, you get to fine tune your job the way you like it. We could support you with ID card, polos, would brand you up, but your professional culture is in your hands, however you want to do it. Um, so you get to create your own professional culture as an SOA. If you have a job, you could do it during the evening periods. You could do it during weekends. You could go check up on the shop. Do you have a challenge on the platform? Do you have any new goods? Have you been uploading? Uh, just to keep them selling, so you could keep earning. So an SOA can also upgrade authentication to become a logistic personnel. Now, SOAs who are affiliated to shops on ahioma.ng, it's very easy to become our partners in any other um, aspect of the business. An SOA can decide to create a logistics team and decide to start handling logistics and still earning from there. So there are other benefits of being an SOA too. If you are ranked higher as an SOA, you could upgrade to other aspects of the business. Also, ahioma.ng would partner with you. So these are the major reasons why you should hurriedly and urgently become an SOA. It's a very lucrative business, and it pays very well. It's a side earning, it's a side job, and you get to work on your own convenience, get to work on your own time. If you're smart with what you do, you could even earn while you sleep. If someone purchases a good by midnight, and your store can deliver that goods, you get paid even from your bed. Okay, so it's a passive income. So these are the reasons why you should urgently become an SOA. Thank you for joining this session. So on the next video, we'll be talking about SOA responsibilities. Thank you very much for joining us. Have a wonderful day.